Hi, this is Dwight Pettit. I want to talk to you today about what you should do when you're involved in an automobile accident. The first thing you should remember is always get the witnesses that are there and available to you immediately in terms of telephone numbers and address if you're able to do that. Second thing, of course, is call the police. And the police will in fact get that information, that detailed information for you. But if that is not available to them by the time they arrive, you will have secured that. Then call us. Call Dwight Pettit at adwightpettitlaw.com, and the telephone number I'll later give you, and set up an appointment to come in immediately so we can be fresh in terms of the investigatory materials that are available to you and then to us to start your accident case off right. There are a lot of things involved in an accident. Basically, as to the degree of seriousness, all of them are serious, but the severity of the accident. Of course, if you're in a very serious situation, injury-wise, where you are unable to in fact secure that information, then we go back to the fact that the police department will have done that. Then of course, then the next thing, once we have the opportunity to see you as to what hospital you went to or what hospital you were going to go to, once you contact us, what doctor, what medical treatment you are in need of, what medical treatment you're going to avail yourself of. There are a lot of things in Maryland that are very, very apropos and applicable in an accident in terms of the issue of contributory negligence and the issues of your liability, whether or not you have PIP coverage to cover your medical bills, whether or not you have liability coverage is required under law for the damage to injury to other persons, whether or not you have collision in terms of the taking care of your property bills, and whether or not we can get your car fixed immediately or whether there's any delay of that. All of that depends upon the type of coverage that you carry, the type of coverage that is carried by the other persons involved in the accident. And so that's the information that my office looks for immediately to understand and to be able to advise you in terms of your rights, to be able to immediately protect you, to be able to get your car fixed, to be able to get your PIP coverage, which you have a right to under law, to whether to get your immediate medical bills paid, and then to make the determinations as to liability and what those persons who were involved in the accident and are in the wrong, what they owe to you as a matter of law in the state of Maryland.